So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we're going to focus on our second tutorial on getting started with basics of JavaScript for Google Earth Engine. So now let's get started. So today we're going to focus on add two numbers and create a sequence of numbers in Google Earth Engine. So to add two numbers in Google Earth Engine, first we have to define two numbers. So for example, I'm going to define a variable called a equals to 1 and I'm going to define a second variable called variable b equals to 2. So variable a and b stores two numbers, that is the variable a stores 1 and the variable b stores 2. So the next step we're gonna do is to use the Earth Engine API to add the two numbers. So we're gonna add these two numbers together using this function called .add function. So to add the two numbers, that is variable a and b, we define we define this variable called result equals to Earth Engine .number. A represents this particular variable which contains the value 1, and similarly b this particular represents this particular variable which contains value 2. So the add function here basically adds the two value together here. So we create an Earth Engine that is number object using ee.Number a, and we define add b using this particular function called add function. So we are adding these two variables together. So for that we are using this specific function called add function. So once you did that, we're gonna visualize the result by just entering this this code called print result. So the result represents this particular variable. So let us visualize the result here. So I'm gonna click this option called run. So in the console section, you can able to visualize we have the value 3. So basically we given a variable a value 1 and variable b a value 2, and using this add function we have added the two variables together to get the value as 3. So next we're gonna focus on creating a sequence of numbers. So now to create a sequence of number in Earth Engine, so to do that, for example, let us consider, so we're gonna create a list of years from 1980 to 2020 with a 5 years of interval between this particular time period from 1980 to 2020. So to do that, we define this variable called ee.List equals to ee.List.sequence, and first we define the starting year as 1980 and the end year as the 2020, and with the interval, the 5 years of 5 year interval, we define this particular value as 5 here. So using this ee.List.sequence function here, so this particular list sequence function creates a sequence of number starting from 1980 to 2020 with a step interval of 5. And now to visualize the result, let me show you that here. So here to visualize the list of years, so I have defined as a print year list. So basically this particular code, that is print year list, will display the list in console section showing the years starting from 1980, 1985, 1990 up to 2020. So let us visualize the result here. I'm going to click this option called run. So now in the console section, you can able to visualize we have the sequence of years with the 5 years of interval. So you can able to see here starting from 1980 to 2020 with the 5 years of interval 1985, 1990 and 1995 up to 2020. So in this video I have shown you add two numbers and create a sequence of number in Google Earth Engine. So this tutorial is on getting started with basics of JavaScript for Google Earth Engine. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.